Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Gmail password on your phone or your computer, whether you know your current password or not. This is useful if you're concerned about unauthorized access, have forgotten your password, or simply want to update it for your security. Remember that your Gmail password also protects your entire Google account, including services like Google Drive, Google Photos, and YouTube. You can start the process either in Gmail or google.com, and in Gmail, tap on your profile picture icon in the top right corner of your screen. Ensure that you've selected correct account, and if not, you can switch accounts as well. Now, once you're using the right account, click on Manage Your Google Account option. You can do the same thing on google.com. And on the Google account page, find the password option, select Security and Sign In from the left-hand side of the screen, or go to Google Password directly. Ensure that this account is yours, and then you can set a new password for your account and then confirm the new password in the next field, and then click on Change Password, which is highlighted in blue color, and you'll be done. You can also go to Security and Sign In section. Then after, go to Password and change it. And here you can also go ahead and view the devices that you're logged in. And then you can go ahead and manage all the devices, log out of the specific ones that you no longer want to. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.